Hey, what's up and welcome to the VIP program of the Instagram University 3.0. I'm so excited to have you in here because, the VIP program is the thing that will get you ahead. The VIP program is what will give you the consistent support, the mentoring with me, and it will basically give you access to a whole bunch of cool stuff. And I just in this short video want to explain what the whole VIP program is about, how it's structured, what you get access to, and normally we sell the VIP program for $97 a month, but right now with the Instagram University 3.0, you got it like for the first week for free, and after that it's $7 per week, okay? So by the way, for those of you who want to cancel, no problem, you can just send an email anytime to us and you can cancel your subscription of the VIP program. But anyways, with the VIP program, what you will get access to is, first of all, you will get like a private Mastermind channel. You can just down below this video, the first section should be the Mastermind channel, right? And you can just go there, click that button, and then you can join the private Telegram Mastermind channel. And in it, I will share my thoughts, all the brand new strategies and all that cool stuff with you guys. I will show you behind the scenes how I build my businesses. I will talk about the projects that I have and just give you guys updates all the time and also answer some questions here and there. Then the next part of the VIP program of the Instagram University 3.0 are the weekly live calls, and that's what I'm most excited for because minimum once a week I will go live. You can sign up for the live calls. We will be live for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, sometimes even 2 hours, and I will show you guys all the brand new strategies. I will show you behind the scenes how everything works, and we will deep dive into specific topics. Okay, we have like here at the bottom of the members area, there's this blue button. Yes, I want to give Niklas some feedback, so you can give me feedback there, and I will see, or I have like a quick survey in there. And depending on what kind of content you guys want to see, we will talk about that in the private weekly live calls. And I will also do like Q&A sessions in the live calls. So anytime when you have a question, you can just go into that live call and ask the question. I will give you like an answer, and I will answer all your questions. So the VIP, the weekly live calls, that's like the main thing of the VIP program. I will minimum go once a week live, but sometimes I will even go live on a daily basis, stuff like that, and just talk about the new strategies, show you behind the scenes how I build my businesses, answer all your questions. I will analyze Instagram accounts, and that's just amazing, okay? Okay, that's like the second part of the VIP program. We then have the VIP support, okay? So you can just, if you have any questions or need help with something, anytime you can just send an email to the VIP support, and you will always get an answer, not always within 24 hours, because we get lots of emails, but you will always for 100% get an answer if you send an email to the VIP support. Then we have the bonus content. The bonus content is basically the homepage, the website that I have. With the VIP program, you have access to that. You can just go to the bonus content. You will then see different blog articles there. We will soon also have lots of ebooks and all that stuff, like PDF templates and all that stuff in there. So that's pretty cool. And on top of that, you also get access to a free shout out and to exclusive videos. So for example, right now there's already one video inside that I recorded with Ty Lopez backstage here in Dubai. We talk about building a personal brand, in general building a following on Instagram, making money online, growing a business, and in general like buying and selling businesses, okay? So that's like one of the exclusive videos that you get access to in the near future, like in the next week. Next week I'll be in Munich and record also some videos with Torben Platzer, with one of my friends, Max Weiss. So that's going to be pretty cool too. And I will, just like always, when I have an interesting personality, or so when I get to know someone who has content or who wants to provide content for you guys, we will then 100% put that into the VIP program, and I will try my best to get amazing content into the VIP program from people from all around the world who have made millions online, and I will try my best to make them share their secrets inside the VIP program, okay? So yeah, that's how the VIP program works. I'm so excited for the weekly live calls. Make sure to sign up for them, and just so you know, the VIP program is $7 per week. You automatically got access to that, or you got access to the VIP program with the Instagram University 3.0. If you want to cancel, just let me know, like send an email to the VIP support. And but I'd highly recommend you to stay inside the VIP program so that you can like take the knowledge, and if you have any questions about it, just like get them all answered, and that you always have the brand new strategies, right? So that's it for the video. Welcome to the VIP program. I'm so excited to be in here, and I will see you in the first live call.